guys, welcome to my YouTube channel in case it's your first time here. Hi, my name is Joan and welcome to the Sandy Gang. Hi, my name is Aki and my name is Queen Paivo. Also, I'm very excited because I'm not going to be editing this video. I'll just be adding spice. That's my job, okay? Thank you, AJ. So, how much do we love you that we lost all our footage from the last staycation that we came here for? It was a good day. It was June 1st, Madaraka Day. We were like, it's a holiday. All day we shot. We lost all of that footage. Thank you, technology. But we love you so much that we came back. I hope you're wrapping your set of loving on me. And we came back and we shot this for you again. So it's going to be beautiful. So just before you go any further, please just subscribe, because I know you'll forget after. Subscribe here, like there. I will link all my other staycations here. Share this with a loved one, or 2 or 10 or 34 who you think might enjoy this content. I feel like that's like everybody in your circle, so just go ahead and share. And please leave a comment and let us know where else you think would be nice for us to review something within, you know, like Nairobi, within like this like budget kind of. And also if you want us to review your sport, email us. AJ and I will come in a pair. And we don't charge too much, so I know what it is. So before I talk too much, because I'm always rambling. I know you guys love me for that, but also like stop. So before I talk too much, I'm going to let you guys see how beautiful this place is. The restaurants they have, the gym, they have things, okay? They have things going on. So this is the part where AJ plays the montage. Enjoy! One last time, remember to share, like, subscribe, comment, and do all those fun things. And let me know where else you guys would like to see me review as a staycation option, especially for someone working around like Westlands, Kilimani area, or just has come to Nairobi for a time, or like me, has final exams next week and is stressed. So, you know, they need a break. Let me know and tell me pocket-friendly places, please. And if you own an Airbnb and you'd like AJ and myself to come and review, email button iko hapo. Our rates are giving friendly. We know the economy is rough, and you know our rates are giving. So hit us up and we will come and check out your place as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so excited, and I don't know why. I know I am excited. It's because it is going to edit this and I don't have to touch it. I'll just add a little spice and then it'll be good to go. Wow. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye, Sandy Gang.